this video we will see how to use the GNSS mock location function in XPad to give the position of the Zenith06 Pro to other Android applications. First, we open Settings in Android to define the mock application app. Here we select XPad as mock location app. Now we can open XPad software and we open the survey points function. First we check that the receiver is in fixed position and the IMU is ready. We can click on GNSS status, tools and start the GNSS mock location. Here we select what elevation we want to transmit and then we are ready to work. We can reduce XPad application and now all applications will use the RTK position of the Zenith06 Pro. For example, here I open QField and I see that the position available in QField is the RTK position from the Zenith06 Pro, also corrected by the IMU.